What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm super excited to announce that we are unboxing the Sennheiser Momentum 4, this beautiful thing right here. I'm super excited to get into this headphone and see what is up with it, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get right on into the video. Alright, so here we have the box, and the thing about the Momentum 4s is that they boast a 60-hour battery life, which is something that I'm really excited to test out. But once we open the box, we're immediately greeted with the case right here. It looks pretty nice, pretty sleek, and honestly, it's not that big. I think it's probably small enough to carry inside of a nice backpack. Then unzipping it right here, we can go ahead and see what we're greeted with. It does have one zipper that just goes all the way around the case, and then it stops, and then you can just flip it over and you're immediately greeted with the headphones inside. So here are what the headphones look like. I got the black colorway, and I honestly absolutely love the design. I really like the support it has, and I think it's also super comfortable, as I'm now wearing them as I'm speaking to the microphone right now. Since this is a voiceover, they are extremely comfortable, especially on the ears and especially on the top of the head. I think the one thing that I can say is that if you're wearing it for a long time, say at the gym or something, your ears can get kind of hot. It can get kind of heated up over there inside of the earmuffs. But besides that, if you're not wearing it for a super long time and you're not working out like really hard, then they're extremely comfortable. Moving on, in the box, we have this cord right here that's used to plug into a PC or into any device in case you want to have a wired connection. And then we also have the charger here on the right side as I'm pulling it out of the box right now. Pretty nice design, looks pretty sweet. I mean, it's just a charger, like what else is there to really say about it? But yeah, put that on the camera just to show you guys. We have the instruction manuals on the left. You know, ain't nobody really care about that, but still good information to have in case you need to know how to connect them to your phone, or just instructions on how to use the product in general. And then I think the last thing is an adapter. Y'all can see in the box there, like in the top left. I'm honestly not even too sure what that is. Maybe for airplanes, in order to like connect it to the TVs on the airplanes or something. I honestly have no idea. Well, y'all can let me know in the comments down below if y'all know, but it does look pretty nice, pretty sleek, and yeah. Alright, y'all, so this is how the headphones look on the head. Pretty nice, pretty sleek. I love the design, and I love this colorway. This nice minimalistic black colorway is really nice. I've been really impressed with how it's performed. The noise cancellation is pretty good. I will say Sony's, the Mark V is a tiny bit better, but the Momentum 4 still have an insane noise cancellation. But when it comes to sound quality, these things are insane. I am in love with the sound quality, and I just absolutely adore them. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out the socials in the description, and let me know what headphones you guys are rocking, or if you guys are interested in getting the Momentum 4s. Have a great night.